Hey everybody, how's it going? So got a small eBay package to unbox or slash unbag from eBay. Please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up everybody, how's it going? Alright, so before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Previously thought this was going to be a stereo harness, but I didn't even look until the last end of that Guess What's in the Box video, and it says CD MU200. Pretty sure this is a mirror link cable for it's a Pioneer mirror link cable. But because I did purchase a bunch of cables for the stereo that I was bidding on, which I won. The bag is empty. Installation accessories. CD MU200. That's aggravating. The description said it was a Pioneer cable. This is definitely not a Pioneer cable. But it should do the job, I guess. That pisses me off, to be honest with you guys. I didn't go searching all over eBay to buy some anonymous branded cables. I was searching for Pioneer branded cables. It says CD MU200. Wiring color code 12 volt red, memory yellow, ground black, power antenna blue, illumination orange, right front plus gray, right front negative gray black, left front plus white, left. It doesn't even say left right. This one says left correctly, and then this one says LEGT. Left front negative white black, right rear plus violet, right rear negative violet black, left rear plus. Green, left rear green black. IMC audio, I've never heard of this brand. Should not be labeled as CD MU200 unless it was a legitimate Pioneer product. Which is kind of aggravating because, you know, here is a Pioneer product. This one is supposed to be green though. See, this right here, it looks like a cheap knockoff of Metra. This is an actual brand that makes this harness. It's not a aftermarket or you know, a knockoff brand. Metra is who makes this harness right here, and to me this looks like a knockoff of Metra. It's a little aggravating, but there's nothing really I can do about it. These flies are driving me nuts. Can't get rid of them. Sorry guys. Alright, so, you know, long story short, you know, I unboxed it, unbagged it. It's a, was supposed to be a Pioneer cable because the description stated it was a Pioneer cable. It'll probably do the trick, but I'm gonna complain. I'm gonna go message that eBayer back and complain that it wasn't a legitimate cable. They shouldn't have charged me the price he charged. I paid like 20 bucks for this because it said it was a Pioneer cable. So that's aggravating. These knockoff cables aren't worth any more than like $5. But, you know, I do appreciate you guys stopping by, checking out the video. I'll either have to send it back, or I'll have to waste another $20 on another cable, hoping that one shows up with the correct Pioneer cable. It's not the first time that I've purchased Pioneer items from eBay and didn't get what I ordered. That's actually happened 3 times this week, or in the last 2 weeks, purchasing cables for that Pioneer stereo. But, you know, it is what it is. I do appreciate you guys stopping by, checking out the video. If you are looking for this CD MU200 mirror link cable, look up CD MU200. And try your best to find the actual Pioneer branded cables if you can. I don't know if these cheap knockoffs work. I do know that I've never had issues buying genuine Pioneers, and they've always worked. But no, that's all I got for you guys. Appreciate you guys stopping by. Please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And it right here, actually it wasn't. It's only 11 bucks. Mirror link cable for Pioneer App Radio 3 SPH DA210 SPH DA110 CD MU200. No, at least it wasn't 20 bucks. This one, you know, I've spent a lot of money in the last couple weeks for stereos and stereo cables and regular vehicle parts. I can't keep track of them, so I'm wrong. It was $11.33, but that included the 95 cents in tax. It was only $10.38. So if I can find another one that's Pioneer genuine in Pioneer packaging, hopefully I can. If not, I'll give these a try, make sure they work. But I'll see you guys on the next video. Appreciate you guys stopping by. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. And I'll see you guys later down the road. Peace!